So, hello, my name is Jürgen Jasperneite and I'm here in the CIIT on the Innovation Campus Lemgo, and I want to take a coffee here from our robot barista, and I will show you how it works. First of all, I have to put the cup here and then select my coffee, and then I have to authenticate, and now it works. This robot barista is a cooperation project between several companies here from the CIIT and also from our research institute in it. And the good thing is that also students are involved in this project. Coffee. Yes, we love automation technologies here in Lemgo. It's a good taste. Bye.